Welcome to this Fixit channel, and one of the things that I see very often that needs to be fixed and that needs to be done is make sure that you always have the latest version of your web browser. Now this example will be on Google Chrome because it's the most popular browser, but I'll have videos to explain how to make the update on other browsers too. So the reason why the latest browsers is very important to have the latest version is because it has many bug fixes. And within the same versions, there's also updates that fix bugs and that fix security problems. And the security problems are very important because every version fixes tons of security issues that's been noted in the past. And these mean that if you don't actually upgrade your browser, you can actually fall to some ransomware or some problems just because your browser has security flaws that can be exploited. How do you update to the latest version? It's very simple. Just click on your Google Chrome browser. On the upper right corner, you will see the three vertical dots, which is the place where you'll go into Help. And here go to About Google Chrome. So here, it's updating right now because there was an update today that was released. So it's updating myself to the latest version of Chrome right now. And so this is the way to actually update. You will see it. It will force yourself to update. So by checking it, some of you might have the update automatically, and that's good. But if you don't, do what I just did. So here we're going to relaunch, and you will see that we're at the latest version of Google Chrome. So that was Chrome 70. And of course, as it's loading again, it will tell you, here I am at Chrome 71, newest version of Google Chrome. So this is the latest update. And make sure that you update to these latest versions to stay safe on your web browser and on the web. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.